This is how I actually run my solo business using AI. Not theory, not some automation dream that requires a team of developers. These are the real tools I use every single week to create content, communicate with clients, and stay profitable by myself. The first tool I open almost every day is ChatGPT. Not just to ask questions, but to save time on real tasks. I use it for 3 things: writing content hooks and video scripts, drafting email responses, and brainstorming business ideas. With the right prompts, it's like a thought partner who never sleeps. After recording a long-form video like this, I use Opus Clip to instantly create 10 to 15 shorts. It cuts, captions, zooms, and highlights the best moments using AI. It's how I multiply one idea into an entire week of content with almost no extra work. Magai is like ChatGPT on steroids. It keeps all my previous prompts, lets me organize ideas into folders, and has memory so I'm not repeating myself. I use it when I want to revisit a tool's explanation or pitch outline I wrote weeks ago. Whenever I need a client-facing visual, I use Gamma. It creates presentation decks from a few bullet points, no design skills needed, and no PowerPoint headaches. My command center is Notion. It holds my weekly content calendar, my CRM, and my system documentation. But I use Notion AI to do the writing, summarizing, and planning inside of it. The combination keeps me focused and out of the weeds. For voiceovers like this one, I use ElevenLabs. I've trained it to sound just like me. That way, I can script content ahead of time and produce without needing to record every single thing. When I need a fast, accurate answer with sources, I don't use Google anymore. I use Perplexity.ai. It's an AI-powered search engine that not only gives me results, it explains them with citations. I use it for competitor research, finding stat-backed content ideas, and summarizing articles when I don't have time to read the full thing. It feels like having a research intern on demand, without the overhead. So here's how this looks on a weekly basis. Monday, plan ideas in Notion and prompt in ChatGPT. Tuesday, write or record content. Wednesday, upload to YouTube. Thursday, turn long-form into shorts using Opus Clip. Friday, post, track performance, and rest. Everything structured, templated, and running without burnout. So, if you want to build a system like this, or want me to break down these tools deeper, drop a comment or hit subscribe. The next video goes even further.